Hello and welcome back to I/O Live. I'm Timothy Jordan and I'm standing here with Nile and with Shaza, and they built an app using TensorFlow. I'm going to talk about it a little. Nile, could you tell me what the app is and how you came up with the idea?
Sure. So the app is actually a plant classification app. You basically take your camera and hold it over a plant leaf. The app then tells you what type of plant it is. It tells you if it's healthy or if it has a disease and what the disease is. And we actually came up with it one day in lunch. So Shaza had been talking about wanting to create an app, and we were brainstorming some ideas, and I thought about my mom, who has had a huge passion for gardening. About a year ago, we ended up moving, and so she had to transport her garden from a big backyard to a tiny little patio in an apartment. Thus, all of her plants were dying. So we ended up making the app and helping her garden flourish.
Awesome. Now, Shaza, what was it like getting started with machine learning?
Hi, Timothy. I got started with machine learning through a TensorFlow code lab called TensorFlow for Poets, and I learned all about how machine learning works and how to use convolutional neural networks on your own data set using the TensorFlow API.
Did you find that challenging?
It was very challenging. It took me a long time to learn because it was my very first programming experience, but it ended up being a really amazing project.
Awesome. Now, what's next? Do you have any ideas for new apps?
Yeah, so I definitely want to do something that has to do with women in third world countries. I have a really close friend who's actually a national leader in the organization Girl Up, and so their topic is just dealing with women in third world countries. So we're definitely working together right now on something to benefit that.
Awesome. Okay, one last question. Do you have any advice for somebody out there who's looking to get started in machine learning or even just computer science?
To someone who's looking to get started in computer science, I would tell them that it's a lot easier than you think, and there are a ton of resources out there if you want to learn about machine learning or artificial intelligence.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And thank you for joining us. This is I/O Live.